Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit reels using Instagram Reel Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a reel on my Instagram. I'm gonna click on this plus button and then I'm gonna select reel, and for example, I'm going to create Instagram reel with my photos. So I'm gonna open my photos. I'm gonna select this a photo, for example, and then this one as well, this one and this one, and then we can click on next. And Instagram will suggest audio or music for our Instagram reel, and you can choose the suggestion from Instagram. I'm just going to select this one, for example, and then we can click on next. Actually, you can skip this step if you don't want to add music to your reel. You just need to click on skip, and then we can click on next. Okay, and hold on guys. All right, and if we want to edit this reel with the reel editor on Instagram, we can click on edit video, and we will be able to access some features in this editor to edit our Instagram reel. You can add text, clip, and then sticker, and it's up to you. You can also add voiceover and folder as well. And for example, I'm just going to add maybe sticker to my reel. I'm gonna add the sticker. Okay, I'm just going to place it right here and click on done. And I'm going to add maybe text as well. I'm gonna add text. I'm going to add wait. Okay, once we're done adding the text, we can click on done, and I'm going to place it right here. And for the sticker, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and you can edit your Instagram reel as creative as you can. And here I just want to share to you how we can edit Instagram reel with the Instagram editor. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit reels using Instagram Reel Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.